15 ways to become a very successful freelancer. Number 2, create an outstanding profile. Now, as a freelancer, your profile stands out as the most important thing you can ever have. All right, this is basically what your clients see as soon as they come to your platform. Okay, it's what tells them what you do, it's what tells them who you are without having to interact with you. Right now, if you're able to craft a standout profile, then automatically you're already telling your client, look, this is what I do, this is who I am. Okay, this is what you can expect from me. Now, most freelancers make the mistake of not going ahead to tell clients what they can do for their clients. Okay, you want to tell your clients exactly how you can help them. They want to know how you can help them, not just to come and see who you are and what you do. So try your possible best to always state how you can help your clients. If you can do this correctly, then you will be on your way to becoming a very successful freelancer. See you in the next video.